Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my friend and I, my fine friend my friend and I will take a visit to Odo-Eran market. This market is a mini, not so mini, but is a major market on the mainland where people go and buy their food stuff. You can also get meat at an affordable price too there. The market is located just by Cele on that bridge. If you are coming from Oshodi, is by your left, and if you are coming from Maitu, is by your right. Come along with us.
This one ain't going to no boil them. Okay, go bounce first. They don't come out the bone. So you go find small for eye.
So this one now not complete.
But they remove the bones.
This was chest,
Leg,
there.
thigh.
Oh, nice.
Complete thigh. Okay.
I'll stop at that. Yes, sir. I think the children go to chop out. One of Odo-Eran market. Come and patronize him. He did us well, please. Yes, so.
Because they don't even for a boat now.
That one no be biscuit board. I still said that is our biscuit board.
Let's go be called bone.
Okay, now that one sabi wetin be that. Now they use cut bone.
Hello.
We have come to the end of the market video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. Now let me go and do the main work of washing all that bits. Bye.